My name's Nancy Jane Lauren, and this is Vito Pascolla. He's the one who did the work on the house. The art glass windows, the ones on the top, did not have protection. They had no storm windows. And we lived here for several years worrying about that.
We try to design something that matches with the property, and I think we were able to do that. When you walk by the house, they don't jump out at you. I think they look original, and I think it's important with vintage properties like this to do exactly that.
This is very specific, and I know Vito is a perfectionist, so I wasn't worried, and he pulled it off.